Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with some leftovers in a cup. I did a canning funnel pour and I lost my colors because I used white house paint with it, so I'm recommending that nobody do that. So these are metallic, these are essentials, those are iridescents, and these are jewel tones. And there's a coupon below the video that you might want to use. If you do, it might help me out. So basically, what I'm going to do now is take the paint I've got and give myself one last chance and do a ring pour. Because I've got a canvas that needs to be used anyway. And I'm very tempted to just give myself one of my favorite colors in the center to make the paint go far enough. And let's go for 2. Now, people keep wrecking things, so maybe I should wreck something. What will we get? Oh, the Arteza Metalics dry, like, they are the bomb, by the way. They leave the most amazing colors behind. So I'm going to just very briefly let that go all the way down there and then send it back again. Far better than losing all my colors in my last painting, which turned out great, by the way, in spite of that, which is really weird. Strangest thing ever. This looks like it wanted to be a purple dragon or something. I didn't actually torch. I'm going to give myself a little bit of white metallic, a little more of the black enamel acrylic. And purple iridescent I'm almost out of, and some more gold. I like the patterns. I'm quiet. I'm sorry. I should be talking to you guys. There's some neat stuff happening here. I think I'm just going to keep giving myself whatever purple strikes my fancy. Maybe a little bit of this blue would be neat. Maybe not a lot of it though. Just going to let that drain out right along the edge. Flow it the wrong way and then right off. I keep putting fingerprints on my canvas because I've got painty hands. So that's kind of cool. Because I got painty hands, I'm going to cover that corner. Right now, and this one. And anything else that I feel like doing, because I can. That's the name of my first book on the Amazon link. Under the link tree that's under the video. Also under the video you'll find my paint pouring recipe, which I have recently amended to tell you guys that depending on how thick the paint is, you need to keep adding pouring medium until you get something of the consistency of warm honey. And I like this up here, but I think it would benefit by a little something electric blue, which is what that's called. That's one of the jewel tones. So that's kind of cool. I have over 90,000 people subscribed to watch my channel. Thank you guys. If you're new, welcome. I'm getting very distracted lately. I'm going to take a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula and use any and all of my leftover colors in my cup, because otherwise they're going on the Lolly Fuse silicone mat. Where else? Where else? Maybe right in here. Just scoop them right on. Spatula them right on. So check out my 1,600 videos on created playlists. You'll find them on my YouTube channel on all playlists. I'm going to throw a little... I was going to throw a little spiral in there, but I don't think I'm going to. Maybe somewhere else. Yeah, a couple spirals never hurt anybody. Alright, so this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida saying thank you guys for all the wonderful comments you leave me all the time. I've got a dot of white paint, which means I might need more. The torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I'm shaking the bottles. I've got more room for more paint. Sometimes I just love to have some dots. It makes everything look more organic to me. I don't often put it in the body of the painting, but I think I'd like to. I guess you could call them man-made cells, as some people are referring to them recently. I don't know where that color came from. I think it was in my cup. I think I'm going to blend it in with everything else. So I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Look for the exhibition video on the end screen of any video for the monthly drawing. Prize is included in that exhibition video. If should you happen to be a contributor to help keep the studio rolling, you'll be automatically entered through PayPal or Patreon. You can find PayPal on my channel header and also on the link tree underneath the video. And you can also find Facebook groups there: Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Appreciation Group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes and More, and Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors. Fans and Collectors has the albums with the YouTube artworks in them. And Totes and More, it'll take you to pixels.com and Fine Art America for shopping. The link tree also has my Amazon link, as I mentioned. I'm just going to dip in to some paint and move it around. And if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you. You'll also find the OXO omelet turning spatulas and the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas. Both a really good thing to have. I'm going to throw my room pour cup in my bucket before it gets any funkier. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Now I'm going to torch. Tell you guys questions are okay, so ask me if you feel like it. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. By the time this video airs, I will probably be back from a show that I had in early November. But that's pretty cool. There's great cells in there. I'm going to try and zoom in for you guys. And remember to ask for a thumbs up. And thank you guys for all the wonderful donations and comments that you keep my morale boosted and you keep me painting. Let's see if I can get, wow, a better shot in the center. That's about as close as we're going to get. But there are some really nice cells in there. So I told you guys I love you. And underneath the video is my paint pouring recipe underneath the description. And look for pixels.com and Fine Art America. And Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links all on the link tree. If you guys need to request information to take a class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, or you're interested in purchasing a painting, use the hashtag in the title of the video and contact me through my email, which is right under the link tree. It's easpbgallery @gmail.com. You guys take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida. I think I said that twice now. Anon. I will see you anon. Getting really scattered. Bye for now. Priscilla out.